We're the #1 dealer on the Eastern Shore. 4.7 stars, you couldn't ask for more. 100 years of service in our hands, helping families roll across this land. Recreation USA, where the road feels right. Simple, small, and family owned, will treat you right. With a smile, a handshake, discounts for those who serve. We appreciate your service, every word deserve. No big showroom, no corporate show, just low, low prices and folks you know. Train techs ready when your parts need care, where honesty and talent meet you there. Recreation USA, where the road feels right. Simple, small, and family owned, will treat you right. With a smile, a handshake, discounts for those who serve. We appreciate your service, every word deserved. A walkthrough too, in person or video, made just for you. No freight fees, and yes, we'll ship nationwide. Wherever you are, we're right by your side. Recreation USA, where the deal feels sweet, with lenders and payments that can't be beat. Easy as a pizza, seamless all the way. That's the joy of buying at Recreation USA. 2 Myrtle Beach locations to serve you best, from cold